Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about high-paying affiliate programs for 2019. And I'm really excited to share this with you because they're all completely free. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel. We're also going to get into a little bit of e-commerce this year, as well as YouTube marketing for free to sell affiliate products. So those are topics that you want to learn more about. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And I want to thank you guys if you're returning to the channel. I appreciate your support. That being said, let's go ahead again and talk about high-paying affiliate programs for 2019, completely free. The first one is Fiverr. Now I buy a lot on Fiverr, but I didn't realize that they had an affiliate program. But it's a really good high-paying one, and it's going to pay you $150 per every person that you refer that's a first-time buyer, because you can see that I buy a lot of stuff. Well, I won't show you all my orders, but I buy a lot of things on Fiverr, so they're going to be making a lot of money from me, so they can afford to pay out $150 for each first-time buyer, because generally you go back and do the same service over and over again. So that's really good. The second one is GoDaddy, and they're going to pay you $90 and above for any person that you refer that does the web hosting and different services that they have. So that is really good. And then the third one is HostGator, and that is, of course, web hosting. They're going to pay you up to $125 per qualifying sign up. Now you do have to do a pretty good amount per month, but even so, if you even had one sign up a month, it'd be $50. So you have to have over 21 signups per month to get the 125, but still, that's a good high-paying affiliate program, I believe. And the fourth one is Wix, and that's a website where you build websites, and they're going to pay you $100 plus for every conversion. So that is some really good affiliate money right there. And again, these are all completely free to sign up. The last one is iContact, and that is an email marketing service. And you will earn $125 per sale. So if they sign up through your affiliate link, that's what you'll get. So all of those I think are really good affiliate programs. Now you're probably wondering, like, well, how do I market this? That's the whole thing, is how do you get people to sign up through your affiliate link? These are just a couple ideas that I had for you. This is completely free as well. You can do YouTube videos around problems that people have in each of these areas. And then you can use a free screen capture to kind of demonstrate these things. That's Screen-O-Matic. So it captures your screen, and you can do like tutorials. Tutorials are really great on YouTube because people are looking for problems that they have. They need to solve those, and they're looking for a tutorial. Like tonight, my cell phone is not working. I was looking up how to fix the on button on my cell phone. I'll have to take it in and get it fixed. But anyway, people search all the time for solutions to their problems. So just an idea I was coming up with is maybe how to build a website for affiliate marketing. You can see there's 140 searches a month for that. This is a Chrome plugin. It's called Keywords Everywhere. If you want to get that, it'll show you how many searches are a month for each keyword. And then let's just say you were going to pick this keyword and you wanted to see how competitive it was. You could do all in title, a colon, and then in parentheses the keyword that you're wanting. And you can see with this particular keyword, there's not much competition. And I'm right there. Okay, so, and my friend Chris, and my friend John. Anyway, that's an idea, is like you could make a tutorial how to build a website for affiliate marketing, and you could show part of like how to do that on your screen capture. And then you could say, if you want to learn more about this, click the link in the description below the video. Actually, that wouldn't work so much for the Wix, but you could do part of it and say, you know, if this seems complicated to you and you want me to do it for you, I can do that. Just contact me on Facebook, and then you can talk about the details of that, that they would have to have a Wix account. So they would sign up for a Wix account, and you would actually go ahead and create the website for them. It's just an idea. Another idea is to provide a free service and have the product be necessary to complete the service. An example of that, if you go to johnchow.com, if you just go home here, you want to click on blog. Okay, he makes a lot of money through his blog, but let's just say you did have a blog, or you could even do some YouTube videos around creating a WordPress blog, and then you could write in the description or say in your video that if you want a WordPress blog, click on this here, I will create it for you for free. And then what he does is he has them, what's the catch? It's being sponsored by HostGator. So every time that he has, I'm sure he doesn't do it himself, I'm sure he outsources this, which you could outsource this as well on somebody on Fiverr to set up a WordPress blog. And then he has HostGator. They have to buy HostGator. So therefore he is getting the, what did we say? Well, I'm sure he's getting more than 21 signups a month, but he's getting $125. So that's a way that you could have somebody sign up through your affiliate link. You're going to do some sort of service for them for free that you know how to do, or even if you don't know how to do it, you can get it, again, outsourced through Fiverr, because that would be very inexpensive. And then the catch is that they have to buy whatever service they need for that particular thing that they're wanting to do through your, they have to go through your affiliate link. So those are just some marketing ideas. YouTube is great because it's completely free. Just think about like what problems those people might have that are looking for that service, and then create videos around those products or problems, and then just have a call to action at the end of your video where you say, and if you want to get this particular service, go ahead and click the link in the description below the video, and then they'll go to your link and sign up because you've given them great value. So that's just some ideas, some high-paying affiliate programs for 2019. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.